Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant error code 57. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first up, you got to find your start menu, right click on it, click on installed apps. And then in here, just find Vanguard. Okay, click on three dots right here and just click on uninstall, uninstall. Click on yes and yes. Just wait for it to fully disappear. Okay, wait a bit. And then once that's done, you have to find your search bar, type down CMD, click on run as administrator. Click on yes and type down, ipconfig space / flush DNS and then hit on enter. Okay, netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on enter. netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit on enter. Now close this one, open up Riot client, wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will ask you to update your game. Okay, so update any game from here. It can be Valorant, League of Legends. Just click on update, so it'll install Vanguard. Click on yes, and once it's ready, it will ask you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer. Okay, let's just wait a bit. Just wait to see right here that there will be a pop-up coming right here. Your games require a system restart, so close this one, restart your computer, and after that, launch a Valorant, and it should be good to go. That is how you fix Valorant error code 57. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.